Here we're looking at a 6-in-1 solar pool monitor. This floats around your pool. It connects through Wi-Fi and it has an app on your phone. Now with this app, you can see here you have the temperature of the outside, you have the temperature of the pool, which is cool, but you also have pH in real time. You can see actually it's changing. You have salt, the amount of salt that's in there. EC, which is electronic continuity. TDS is total dissolved solids. ORP is basically the effectiveness of your chlorine. Okay, and you have also, yeah, so that's all 6. You can save these, you know, if you want to make a log or a journal. You can access this pretty much anywhere. It's got a gateway that you connect to your internet, and then the gateway connects to that, and then that's what allows you to basically use the app. You can see that I'm connected here. It tells me my battery life. It is solar powered, so there's no battery to worry about. And this just basically floats in your pool 24/7, and at any time you can see these values on your phone. Now, it will need to be calibrated every once in a while. It comes with a calibration kit. So if you see that maybe the readings aren't right, you basically take it out, get distilled water, you use the calibration kit that they give you, you recalibrate it, put it back in the water, and then you're back into business. So pretty neat. Check it out.